Well, okay guys, first time videoing myself here. Got a little bit of work to do here to Mystic Turtle there. I'll go show you here what we're gonna start doing. Let's go see. Okay, I'm gonna be working on this screen door here first of all. Right now, this screen door, actually, you can tell I put a magnet in here now. This is what I'm going to be, one of the things I'm going to be putting in permanently. But right now, this has this, and it used to have a slide. I already took it out before I started this. What's going to happen is I'm going to get rid of all this. Right now, this latch here goes in. You have to kind of click it like that. And all you have to do is push it like that, and this door will open up. So let's go see what we got. So we've got that clear screen, and it also came with another clear piece of plexiglass. So this is going to go in right here, and then the other clear piece is going to go there. We also got these cool magnets, which are really tight. Also got these magnets, which we can try out. And what else did I get? Got a whole bunch of some new cords that are going to be permanent for inside a turtle here. New spray wand for doing the black and gray tanks, and a fitting for the hose for doing the black and gray tanks as well. But then this is the other thing for the screen door is going to be a spring. So haven't really looked at it here yet, but I think this spring is going to go kind of somewhere. Pretty hard to see with the, hasn't really adjusted yet. Somewhere in there. So yeah, as I do stuff, I'll just kind of keep you guys posted. Maybe take some new shots. Okay, the screen door. So whoever put this screen door on here kind of filled it with some glue or something along there, and then I thought all I'd have to do is just take these two out and they would come out, but no, they decided they wanted to rivet in, so I'm gonna have to drill out some rivets now as well, which I don't blame them. It's makes it a little more rigid, I guess, sturdy. So more sturdy you can have it in an RV, that's not all bad. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this out, take these screws out, drill out a bunch of rivets, and then I'll see what I can get after that. Okay, so I got my cool guy glasses on. I took and I ran an X-Acto down here, and now I'm just going to try to pop this out of here, see what happens. There we go, got rid of that. So now I could just put the plastic up onto here, but the problem is when they did this, this should have been over just a smidge more. So I could, because it's all riveted, I want it over that little bit more, where I could take a file and file that down, but and it's not going to look as good. So I'm going to have to move it over probably just that. Well, it might help, but I don't know. Maybe I'll get the wife's opinion on what she thinks. I'll put it together, I'll clean this up and before I drill out those rivets. And okay, we got it in. Sorry, somebody has pressure washing over here on the other side, but got it in, looks pretty good. Slides open, that really easy. I'm really debating if I want to put that bar back in there, but I'm going to have to put these back in to secure this back one, top and bottom. I have a rivet, so I'll put those in. If not, I'll just grab some screws. Then I got to come up with something to fill that hole there. We'll see how that goes. Put in a couple of screws here, so that secures that. I'm still debating if I want to put support here because that is a little flimsy. But for this, I got this old piece of kind of a foam there. I think I'm going to try to cut it out, and then in behind here there are 2 screws already that something was screwed there. So I think if I put that in, it'll fill up the gap. Okay, this is what I found some of that, just kind of cut it out. So you close it, and keep all the bugs out. Doesn't look as great as what I want it to, but I do think I got some stuff coming. I'll probably just kind of zip that off with a knife. Next is going to be putting that spring on up there. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, we'll see who came out to join us. Nope, just sitting there relaxing.
Listening to music. Are you making a video?
Enjoying your day off, honey?
I am. My first day of nanny.
Okay. Okay, let's see the finished product here now. So outside we got this. Kept these knobs on here. Put that magnet on. I had to do a little filing to kind of get it down, and I put some glue on it as well. Just kept that same latch. It was in there, on there. Seems to work fine. I did kind of file that down a bit too, but that seems to close pretty good. Then the latch is on there. Just needs to hold it in. But that's what I put up there. Is the spring. Just drilled a hole into the frame and put that around on that side. You can see it. It's kind of dark. So that's what that looks like. So if you open up the door, she'll close in.